My name is Joel Spencer. I work at Perma-Seal Basement Systems. We're a foundation repair and waterproofing contractor, and I'm our Chief Operating Officer. Day to day, I support my leaders, making sure that hurdles are cleared and they have everything they need to do a great job for our homeowners. Before we first partnered with Aqueity, we had a small IT team. We were a growing company, and so we found it was difficult to stay on top of changes in technology and security. We really ran into the limitations of our software, our ERP system. Aqueity became our partner, and they stepped in to help with our day-to-day IT needs, our CIO services, and also the Aqueity Shield Cybersecurity. They really stepped in and gave us a lot more robust support in all the areas we needed it. We had a major project undertaking last year. We migrated to a Salesforce system. Aqueity helped to manage the different resources that were needed for that migration, and also supported our team to make sure they had what they needed throughout the process. Since Aqueity's come on board, they've really essentially become a part of our team. We've really grown a lot, and Aqueity makes that happen with us. We recently implemented AI-powered tools that have streamlined our scheduling, improved our communication, and they've made it easier for customers to work with us from start to finish. If another business leader asks me, why work with Aqueity, I would say that they really work as a seamless extension of our business in one of the most critical areas. IT lives and breathes in everything that we do now, and Aqueity is a critical part of making sure that that goes well.